friend Juliana. We are doing a drugstore slash affordable fall glam look. Don't mind my eyelids, they are stained because I did a different video this week that should be up after this one. But yeah, my eyelids are currently stained. But yeah, make sure you go check her out. She's so freaking gorgeous, and I literally feel like she's kind of like my spirit animal. Like, me and her get each other. I don't know. I love her. But yeah, and if you're new, hi, I'm Tori. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and stick around. I have a lot of super exciting content coming out. And yeah, that's all I guess, and let's get started. Okay, so today's palette is going to be the Morphe 35M. I got this in the mail maybe a week or so ago, and all I've done is swatched it. I haven't played with it yet. So that is what we're going to be using today. I'm thinking I want to do something green, kind of like Grinch green, I guess. Sorry, I'm just trying to adjust my camera. I have a new setup kind of like in front of me, and I'm trying to learn how I like it. But I'm going to go in with a ColourPop brush, and I'm thinking, like I said, green. So I'm going to take this shade right here. I don't think I've seen anyone use the greens in this palette yet. I've seen a lot of browns and oranges, but not green. So yeah, now I'm going to mix this and this together a little bit. More of the lighter olivey green than the like brownish pukey army shade, I guess. I don't really know. I want to know if you guys like this setup at all. I don't know, the lighting, I don't know. I got vanity lights, and yes, I will be doing a makeup collection in January because that'll be after Christmas, and I always get makeup for my birthday and Christmas, and there's still a few things that I want to buy this year before we hop into the new year. So I'm just waiting, but I have a very new vanity setup, so I'm just waiting. Now I'm just taking this more yellowy green shade that's right under the army-ish shade that I just went in with, and I'm just kind of putting that right on top. Okay, so I went and did a little thinking. So I'm going to go in with this green shimmer right here and put that on the like outer portion of my lid, and then go on with this green right here on the inner portion. And it's gonna be a bit of like a gradient. I'm not gonna cut my crease or anything because I have been wearing makeup all day, and I'm a little bit like I don't really want to put on a bunch of more makeup. But I am going to quickly take a small brush and do any brown shade, just a tiny bit on the very outer corner, to kind of deepen this and give it a bit more of a grungy, fall-y look. Okay, so I put on the shimmer and I put on mascara. I'm not gonna put lashes on just because I don't really feel like it. I honestly really like this look without lashes. But yeah, so I'm currently rewatching Stranger Things with my boyfriend, and like I'm like catching up to him because I had him start it, and I ended up loving it, so he's like way far ahead of me. Oh my god. It's a drugstore. I can't use that then. We will just use this. This is my Maybelline Baby Skin No Pore Bloom Primer. My mascaras were both drugstore, I promise. I used the Maybelline Big Shot and L'Oreal Telescopic. Those are my current favorites. I literally forgot that this was a drugstore look. I never do drugstore looks. Like, I own a lot of drugstore makeup, but I don't usually like dedicate a look to being drugstore. I just use like whatever I want, but we will make sure that we use all drugstore products. I'm going to use my e.l.f. foundation. It looks like this, and then I'm also going to use my NYX HD concealer, my Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm gonna just do all of that off camera because you've seen me do my foundation and concealer and powder 1,000 times. So I'll do that. Put some brow gel on my brows, which is the Make Me Brow by Essence, and that's all. And I'll be back for bronzer, blush, and highlight. So for bronzer, I'm using my Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette. I know that a lot of people like this, so we're just going to go in with it today. I'm not trying to pack on a ton of makeup. Like, I know this is a fall glamish look, but I don't know. I think that not wearing like way too much foundation in the fall time looks nice on me, at least. Like, I know Julie Anna looks so pretty when she has like foundation on. She looks really pretty without makeup at all too, but this is just kind of my personal preference. But I don't know. I'm just kind of talking. Okay, so for blush, I'm using my Ulta Velvet Blush in Honey Bunny. It's just a basic blush color, peachy and pink with a little bit of shimmer to it. So I'm just applying that to my cheeks, and then this will also go on the very tip of my nose. Okay, so my lower lash line, I just went in with the same brown shade that I used in my crease, and then for my inner corner, I'm going to use this shade right here and just apply a tiny bit to the inner corner, obviously. I love inner corner highlights personally. I think that they really brighten up the eyes and bring attention to your eyes. They make them look more wide and awake. I don't know, I just kind of love inner corner highlight. But that is everything for the eyes. And then for highlight, I am going in with my Pixie by Petra little duo. This is in Subtle Sunrise, and I'm also taking my Sleek Makeup Solstice palette. So I'm going to mix this shade right here with this shade in this palette. This is a very blinding and bright highlight for sure. So I'm just going to mix them together for a beautiful glow. Like, I've never seen drugstore highlighters that look this intense. Okay, so for lip liner, I am using my Rimmel lip liner in Tiramisu, and for lipstick, I'm going in with this Wet n Wild lipstick in Sandstorm. Alright guys, this is the final look. Sorry for that again, but I really hope you guys enjoyed. Highlight is obviously blinding. I love this contour shade. This lip is kind of like dark, and it kind of like adds a contrast with the eyes, because the eyes are like a greeny look. I don't know, I really like it, and for being drugstore, I'm very impressed. So that was the video, or my collab portion. Make sure once again you go check out Julie's channel. Hopefully she doesn't mind me calling her Julie, because I know her name is Juliana, but I don't know. I hope she doesn't mind. But yeah, make sure you check out her channel if you haven't already. She's amazing, gorgeous. She's so freaking talented. And if you're from her channel, make sure you subscribe to me. We're working our way up to 600. Yeah, that is everything. I hope y'all enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe to my face. And I will see you hoes next time. Bye.